Hey, in this video, I'm gonna install React Router and do a couple other cleaning items. One thing I did was I installed all those Apollo and Material UI packages into the workspace directory where I should have put them into the client directory, so they would be in the front end package.json. I've moved them all myself. Um, the node modules are still in the wrong place. I could have uninstalled and reinstalled, but it doesn't matter because it'll still find, since these are both one project, it'll still find these node modules if it can't find it in these node modules. But you really want to move all the packages from the last video into your other package.json like this in case the apps become separate projects. They already are separate applications, really, but you can check the GitHub for the right configuration of what goes where. Another thing we need to install is this typeface Roboto. It's the standard font, and we'll cd into client to do that. Get rid of that comma. Package JSONs have to be like exact JSON or they error out like that. So now the typeface Roboto is installed, and attack that import. Just all you have to do is import typeface Roboto, and it's part of the project now. So we'll also run npm install -save while we're in the client directory. React router DOM to install React Router version 4. And one thing I have to take care of in the client directory, I have to create a file called .env.development.local. And this is only because I'm using a cloud editor. You don't need to do this at all if you are developing locally. Dangerously disable host check equals true. Something I have to do uh, with to have the front end talk to the back end with Create React App on a cloud uh, editor like this. Okay, moving along. So we've installed React Router. So in our app.js, we're going to import a few things from React Router DOM. We want browser router, route, switch for now. Say browser router. Inside browser router, we'll put a switch. inside switch, we'll put a route. And a route takes a path. And renders a component. So we'll say path slash, put exact in front of it as well as a prop. And we'll say the component is going to be we won't put an exact there. Yes, we will. And we'll call this component home. Save that. Create another directory, new folder here called components. Put another folder called routes. A new file here called index.js. We're actually going to take app, cut it, paste it into there. Get our index.html. We'll import that now from routes. /routes. And we can delete this out. Okay. In our routes, create a new file, home, .js. Okay, get rid of this app right here. This routes. Okay. Here we're going to import home from ./home. Here we'll import React from React. So home equals a function. And we'll return with parentheses. Therefore, we don't need a return statement. We can just return it as is. Whoop. Say export default. And we're going to pick up in the next video with creating our home component.